Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade bread and honey butter. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: flour, yeast, water, and salt. Activating your yeast is crucial. Combine it with warm water and a touch of sugar, then let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Next, mix everything and knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and pliable. This step develops the gluten, giving your bread its wonderful texture. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. This is called the first proof. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air, then shape it into a loaf. Transfer it to a baking pan and let it rise again for another 30 minutes. Finally, bake your beautiful bread at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown. Now let's create the perfect accompaniment: creamy honey butter. Start with 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. This makes it much easier to mix. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter with 2 tablespoons of your favorite honey. For an extra layer of warmth and flavor, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth. This simple spread elevates any slice of bread. Once your bread is out of the oven and has cooled slightly, slice it thick and spread a generous amount of that delicious homemade honey butter. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, warm bread with a sweet, creamy topping. Store any leftover bread in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep it fresh. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you love to read, you'll find a link there for the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.